Peace be upon you and welcome to Pot of Food. Are you using syrups or other sugary loaded spreads like jams and toppings on your pancakes? If you are, be ready to kiss those goodbye. I'm about to show you something that's 1,000 times better and tastes equally as good. This is a fruit. It may look boring, but if you give me 3 minutes, I will show you how to turn this into a delicious creamy caramel sauce that the whole family will enjoy. It has no sugar, no butter, no dairy, no eggs, just 4 simple ingredients. So to get started, first you guys are going to need to pit some dates. I've already pitted my dates and I washed them. Then we're just going to add in some water. I love dates so much and I cook with them a lot because they have several benefits for your body. They have so much that I can't name them all. But 2 good things about dates that I really love is that they're really great for energy and also your bone health and digestive health. Okay, so after we've pitted our dates and poured in the water, now we're just going to put this into a pot and we're going to bring this to the stove and cook it on medium heat for about 5 minutes or until they start to simmer a little bit. Once we're done cooking it, we're going to give it a little rest so that it can cool down because it's pretty hot right now. While we wait for this to cool, it would be amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys like healthy dessert recipes and want to see more made with dates, definitely click the notification bell so that YouTube would notify you whenever I upload a new video. Okay, now that this has cooled down a little bit, we're going to pour it into the blender and then we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. To this date mixture, we're going to add in some vanilla because it helps bring out the caramel flavor. And then we're going to add in some cold pressed coconut oil. And that's it for the ingredients. Once we're done adding in the coconut oil, we're going to put the lid on the blender and we're just going to pulse it a couple times and then continue blending it for a few minutes until it's very nice, smooth, and creamy. Also, the ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box. I made a very cute recipe card for you guys with all the information and nutrition facts about dates for you guys in case if you guys would like to check that out. Definitely click the link in the description box. Okay, so I blended the dates for a few minutes and it's looking really nice. It's smooth and creamy, and that's all there is to it. This sauce is very thick, rich, and luscious, but if you guys would like it to be a little bit less thick and fluffy, you can add a little bit of water. It also helps it to stretch farther. If you guys do try out this recipe, make sure you comment below and let me know how it went for you. I like trying this with my pancakes. You could even put it on toast or any dessert that you like. But a little warning, even though this makes about 1.5 cups of sauce, it still doesn't last long. I made this recipe for my family and it was gone in about 1 day. So yeah, it's definitely a crowd pleaser. Make sure that you guys all comment down below if you like this recipe and if you guys like to see more recipes and videos like this one. Make sure you'll like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Wait, before you guys go, I have an announcement to make. I made a healthy dessert community where I will be sharing all my top secret healthy dessert recipes and tips and tricks. Each month, I will be sharing a new sugar-free recipe with you guys from my top secret cookbook, and I'm sure you guys will love it. We will also be doing special giveaways once we reach 200 members that you definitely do not want to miss. Plus, so much more. Click the link in the description box, and I can't wait to see you guys there.